Welcome to Learning Bites English Learning Class. Story Outline: Sunday Fun Day with the Smiths. Join the Smith family, Tom, Sarah, Mia, and Sam, as they spend a cozy and fun-filled Sunday together. Each scene includes light-hearted activities and little surprises that make it an enjoyable story for English learners. Let's start the lesson.
Scene 1. Family Garden Morning. The Smith family starts their Sunday by enjoying their backyard garden. Picking fresh veggies and herbs, Tom and Sarah show Mia and Sam how to pick tomatoes, cucumbers, and herbs. Mia finds a big tomato, proudly holding it up as everyone laughs. Watering the flowers, Sam gets to water the plants, accidentally splashing Mia, which starts a playful water splash game. Buddy, their dog, jumps in, running around happily. Mini nature hunt. Sarah leads a nature hunt for tiny creatures. Mia finds a ladybug, and Sam spots a butterfly. They take turns guessing plant and flower names. Making fresh lemonade. After gardening, they make fresh lemonade in the kitchen, using the herbs they picked. They sit together, sipping their drinks and chatting about their plans for the day. Scene 2. Park Picnic and Playtime. After their garden morning, the Smiths head to the park for a picnic and games. Mini soccer match. Tom and Sam challenge each other to a mini soccer game, with Mia and Sarah joining in. Laughter fills the air as they try to score goals. Duck friends at the picnic. As they settle down for a picnic, a few friendly ducks come over. Sam and Mia laugh as they share crumbs with their duck friends. Cloud watching fun. After lunch, they lie back on the blanket, watching clouds. Mia points out a bunny cloud, while Sam sees a cloud that looks like a castle. Each family member takes turns spotting funny shapes. Scene 3. Cozy family movie and popcorn fun. Back home, they decide to watch a family movie, complete with popcorn. Popcorn pop-off. Tom and Sarah have a popcorn pop-off to see who can catch the most popcorn in their mouth. Mia and Sam count each catch and cheer as popcorn flies around. Laughing together, the family enjoys the movie, laughing at the funny parts. Even Buddy, their dog, curls up on the couch, making it a cozy experience. Scene 4. Cookie Bake-Off. Inspired by the movie, Mia and Sam suggest a cookie bake-off. The family heads to the kitchen to bake and decorate cookies together. Creating funny cookie shapes, each person makes a unique cookie shape. Sam creates a monster cookie, while Mia designs a heart. Tom tries to make a fish shape, making everyone laugh. Taste test. After baking, they each take a bite and vote for the funniest, yummiest, and most creative cookie. Sam proudly claims his monster cookie as the winner. Scene 5. A visit to Grandma and Grandpa's house. In the afternoon, they visit Grandma and Grandpa, who have prepared a surprise for them. Story time with Grandma. Grandma shares a funny story about Tom as a little boy, surprising Mia and Sam with tales of their dad's childhood. Garden ring toss with Grandpa. Grandpa sets up a small ring toss game in the garden. Sam wins by a landslide, taking a victory lap around the garden to everyone's amusement. Scene 6: Evening Walk and Sunset Surprise. As the sun begins to set, the family goes for a peaceful walk around the neighborhood. Neighborhood treasure hunt. They make it a treasure hunt walk, spotting interesting things like colorful flowers, a small bird, and a shiny stone that Mia calls her lucky treasure. Sunset overlook. They find a small hill to watch the sunset. As the sky turns pink and orange, each person shares their favorite part of the day. Scene 7: Getting ready for the week ahead. Back home, the family prepares for the new week, feeling happy and content. Packing for the week. Mia and Sam pack their school bags while talking about what they're excited for. Mia looks forward to art class, and Sam is excited for soccer practice. Goodnight hugs and laughs. The day ends with hugs, bedtime stories, and a few jokes from Tom. Everyone goes to bed with a smile, ready for a new week. Scene 8: Bedtime Story with a Twist. As bedtime approaches, Tom and Sarah decide to read Mia and Sam a bedtime story. But it's not just any story, it's a story full of twists and funny voices. Choosing the storybook, Mia and Sam each pick their favorite story, and they settle on a tale about a brave knight and a silly dragon. Funny voices and sound effects. Tom and Sarah make the story come to life with funny voices and sound effects. Tom's dragon voice makes everyone laugh, while Sarah's knight voice adds a bit of drama. A surprise ending. Just as the knight is about to face the dragon, Buddy, the dog, starts barking at a sound outside, making everyone jump. They all laugh at the unexpected twist and decide it's the perfect way to end the story. Scene 9: Family reflection and looking forward. Before saying goodnight, the family takes a moment to reflect on their day and share what they're excited for in the week ahead. Favorite moments recap. Each person shares their favorite part of the day. Sam loved the soccer game, Mia enjoyed baking, and Tom and Sarah agree that the sunset walk was magical. Looking forward to new adventures, they start planning next Sunday's adventure, talking about new places to visit or things to try. Mia suggests a trip to the zoo, and Sam votes for a beach day. Goodnight wishes. The day ends with hugs and goodnight wishes as everyone heads to bed with smiles, looking forward to more family fun in the future. Thank you for today, and I hope you enjoy the lesson. If you found this lesson helpful, feel free to like and share a comment. Please subscribe to the Learning Bites channel for more useful videos. Thank you.